PLC Network here at CES 2024. We are standing in the Dreo booth, and this is Olivia. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I am fantastic, especially now that we're here talking about Dreo. Now, we've done a number of stories with Dreo in the past, just talking about some of their products that they had coming out, and we've done some hands-on with a lot of the smart fans that have been fantastic,
Amazing.
including this guy for the Purifier.
Yes,
they have performed
exactly.
very well.
Yeah,
the connectivity's been really great.
Yes.
So you have some new exciting stuff to talk about here at CES.
Definitely. We brought a lot of stuff to the CES, and the most exciting part about this launch is the 2-in-1 Purifier Fan. It's our first multi-comfort product. The multi-comfort is our new series, which are multifunctional. And the first one will be 2-in-1, and in the future we are rolling out 3-in-1, 4-in-1 multifunctional products to make sure the product is covering the whole season. For example, this one, the MC710S, is the first Purifier tower fan that we are launching. So the special thing about this product is the industry first dual motor Purifier tower fan. Comparing to the current products, it has one more motor to make sure you can operate the two functions independently. So that you can operate the purifier independently, and also you can operate the tower fan independently. But when you operate them together, it's 1 + 1 / 2. So each function will be stronger thanks to the dual motor.
That's really exciting. So if you ever wonder what else you can do with the tech, just put it all together and make one product.
But we are only doing meaningful innovations because, for example, in winter, you want purifier, but you don't want to open the wind. So that's why we put two motors so you can operate them separately.
Oh, that's smart.
Make the purifier even stronger with the two motors. Yeah.
Now, is that on the market already?
Not yet, but it's launching in this March.
This March,
very
cool.
soon.
Is there a price point for that?
It's still exclusive,
TBD?
but it's gonna be around $200 or $300 USD.
Okay.
It's really accessible price, definitely, and it's the best. It's the best price for dual motor purifier tower fans as well.
And since it has a purifier, I'm guessing it has interchangeable filters.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
And those will be available at the same time as launch.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Cool. So that's great. Yeah, because we've covered a lot of your fans. The fans have been terrific. They're great.
Exactly.
Again, the automation of it, its ability to work with Alexa and Google, everything, it's fantastic. So it's nice to see two of those products put together. Like the air purifier's done great. So you also have something for the kitchen as well.
Exactly. As you know, Dreo has two categories. One is the best-selling environmental appliances line, and another one is the kitchen series. And everybody knows that we launched the first kitchen innovative products last year, the Chef Maker, and now we are just upgrading the functions and adding more programs, recipes into it. So talking about our kitchen category, it's quite young, but we are doing a lot of innovation tech and algorithms and a lot of food sense into it as well. So the first product is Chef Maker. It's a combi cooker that you can utilize it you can take it as a home chef. It can deliver the fine dining level culinary cuisines into your home with just one click. For example, I'm not good at cooking, but I can use the Chef Maker to send the recipe into the machine, and just with one click, perfect steak, perfect salmon, and perfect vegetable seafood all there. And we have the prop, we have the water tank, we also have the air fry function and smart oven function together with the Combi Cook algorithm. It makes everything perfectly just with one click.
So I can put a filet mignon in there and tell it to cook it perfectly.
No problem. And you have two flavors. One is the sous vide flavor, and another one is the classic flavor. For sous vide flavor, we can minimal the cooking time to only around like 45 minutes to 70 minutes, but normally if you use the traditional sous vide, it's gonna take like 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are shortening the time thanks to the algorithm. We have the prop inside the meat to have a precisely control of the internal temperature and outside temperature. And also we have the water tank to have the water mist to make sure the food is moistured for the whole time. That's why sous vide can be shorter, but the same result.
So now I'm going to have to test that out one of these days. I'm going to have to try a filet mignon cooked in that. Because now I'm intrigued. So that's available right now.
Yeah, exactly. We are cooking steaks and salmons real time at the booth. So everybody can come in by and try the real products, right? The real food. It's really amazing. And everybody is so surprised when they taste it. You can see the pink in the salmon and you can see the pink in the steak as well. And it's taking like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to do so. Yeah.
That's very nice.
Nice.
Price point for something like that. What's the price point on that?
The MSRP is $359 USD, but you know, we are having a New Year campaign, so it's going to be around $250.
Oh wow!
So it's available on our official website and Amazon, and it's going to be across a lot of retail stores as well.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
Well, there you have it. If you have any interest in buying any of this stuff, which is a lot of stuff, fans, purifiers, humidifiers, you have things for your kitchen to make sure that if you have issues cooking, it'll do all the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, I know a few people that can really make use of that. Not myself, but I mean, I can make use of it, but there's certain people that could definitely, you know, they need that.
Yeah.
So, and then you have, you know, now you have the future of Dreo where you're bringing these products and putting them together. This is exciting. This is fantastic. I do have one last question for you. Connectivity. I mean, Dreo is definitely very on top of things with that in terms of, you know, being able to control everything with an app, with your, you know, being able to integrate things so they talk to each other from the Dreo app, to be able to use Alexa and Google. Are there any future kind of plans for connectivity for like additional ecosystems? Like, is there any API access or anything coming in the near future?
So in terms of the app is really the core of Dreo brand, because we have the 1+2+N strategy, and the one is the core is the Dreo IoT. So our kitchen appliances and environmental appliances are connected with the app, and we have a dedicated team to upgrading the app like continuously. And you know, we are pushing new updates and OTAs, new programs, new recipes through the app. And also in terms of the connectivity, we have done a lot to testing all the Wi-Fi routers on the market to make sure the connect is really, really smooth, and it's taking shorter time for our consumers to have a really fluent experience, really smooth experience when they are using our IoT products. And in the future, we are, you know, Matter. So Matter is really important. So we are upgrading with Matter as well. So it's definitely going to be coming this year.
Perfect. So this year, that's exciting to hear, because connectivity with some of these other ecosystems can still be important, like Home Assistant and things like that. It'll be nice to have more native compatibility with some of these. So that'll be exciting to see when that comes out.
By the way, one more thing, sorry. Because our
surprise.
kitchen category is actually expanding. So not only chef maker, the cooking line, we're going to have the beverage line this year. It's a completely new thing for us, and it's going to be a really hit in the market. And we are launching the Smart Milk Water. I don't know if I can say that, but we are definitely launching the Smart Milk Water in this year, probably in the mid of the year. It's a secret now, but it's going to be really exciting.
Are we allowed to talk about that? Are we allowed to share that with our viewers?
Yeah.
Are they allowed? There you go. Some little secret information for you. So that's even more exciting to hear that you know, what's coming up from Dreo. So this is going to be a pretty good year for Dreo. There's a lot of new products, to come, better connectivity through Matter, and it's probably just going to get better from there. So again, thank you so much, Olivia.
Thank you.
This is amazing, and we can't wait to see what's next.
Great. Thank you for visiting us, and hope you enjoy Dreo, and hope our customers enjoy Dreo as well.
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you.
If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.